Hi, my name is David. I'll be talking about the assignment CSE 341, and here on the API building. So on my database, I have my server, and I'm using the localhost 3000, and it's linked to my MongoDB, which is my data database, which is right here. So, and speaking of that, on my database, I was able to connect to MongoDB, and then here is the string where I connect to the URL using my env.env. So here is the URL passage to link to my MongoDB database. And right here also I use a controller where I pass my logic on how to fetch data on my database. Get all request. This get all request is to bring all my contact list, everything on my database, and that this is the logic function for it. And here is to get a single particular data or particular contact on my database. This is what get single. This is what it does on my database, and that is the function. Right here in my routes, I was able to okay create an index.js where I can see on my local host, and I can preview on my local host what is on my database. So this is the request. This is the string request to pull that information out. And why under my user, should in case I want to navigate beyond just viewing all my contact list, I can as well as go to a particular contact or particular area, so I can extend the URL from the localhost users. I can go to a particular contact I want to see. So this is what this one does. And right here, okay, let's run it so that we can see. Okay, I'm gonna run the server now. Node server.js. So right here, the database is listening and the node is running on the port 3000, so everything is active. So I run the client, the REST client. So I'm gonna pull that up. So the REST client, I was able to click on that, and it's taking me to the localhost 3000. As you can see, hello world. So okay, if I want to navigate from hello world to users, let me see what is under users. I can see here already, this is all my contacts. Okay, if I decided to pick one of them, I don't want to see all of them. I just want to go for a particular contact. So I can decide to paste that one here, and we have it. As you can see, we have it. So let's go to um, quickly go to render. This is render page. So I've already deployed that, and let me see what is happening on render. So to see if it's actively working like the rest. Okay, we can see render is working. So let me try again to see the users. As you can see, render is working fine. It shows all the contacts. Okay, if I decided to make it one contact at a go, so we can see here just single contact. So render is actively working. Here is my GitHub code where I push all my codes. You can see the controller, the data, the router, the route, and the server JS. And here is my MongoDB actively working. I'm connected to my codes. So back to the REST client. Okay, let me quickly send request as regarding this. Let me send request. As you can see, hello world is actively working. Okay, let me send another request for users. You can see users are all listed here right here. Okay, if I decided just to pick one of them, let me send request. As you can see, it is showing as well. So that is that about connecting, building API with MongoDB, and using Node Server JS. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it.